tuganiri parliament Oromo Chege
Njetindi Mochege nche ninasimama na raia, and the parliament we have today na abantu abateneri ba parliament mubaroche buna bago behave ekere raia bagoteba finance bill teri burunge totegerere ebakwenda babetereri baitia finance committee ya itana na Kenya ngima ko collect egento gekoro kuna views public participation igoro ya Safaricom sale bonsi p aba Kenya 93% bagateba ya mo ni shares ya Safaricom abantu abuna buntu toko represent tari executive, lakini ekerama na yo ikabunge what happens aba bunge bonsi p majority balirende bakora ire bunebwe narete baruo ba support egento kere very unpopular amongst the people igo inchekere ngo twaro musimamone umusimamo dhabiti ngoteba tindi go support finance bill obutali bocheke. Number 2 ekere ngoteba sha teri gokora no maeterero a court njateba sha roll out was unconstitutional a court yateba rero aseki the cost of the system. Number 2 the ebintu bikoro kuna the benefits package ya sha. Number 3 ebinte binge ekoti yateba ebinte ebyo are irregular ebina bintu na kwanire ko 2024 kero muntu na maite Njetindi Mochege igombo ato musimamo ore farm abantu bali baroche buna igombo ente go sasi maruto osembo ente go sasi me system na bago chabage echiwa sengencho yo musimamo mbwate bunge umuntu okorkwetangula iganseria because na kwanekene ekikero umuntu akwanire onyonko okwanire metu okwanire atandi okwanire before to chegento gekuru ku broad based kero umuntu okwanire igoro yegente ekyo buna bunge telikorawa bunebwenerete lakini asengenjere kibagendi bakaratiga babwaterera kamontaka bagatumie kogosa abantu elinde bunanje bakonte imbasa asime mbalikire apology. I will not. What I did instead, I went to court and I was reinstated today. Ekoti rero njateba there is no way ebintongo kwa ne radio ebintongo kwa ne TV ebintongo kwa na matanga bira chigotumeka kongandamiza bunge. That is not batageti to freedom of expression. Igo batageti to ende kubasasima, and that one we are not going to do.